Alright you guys, got a little care package courtesy of Doto Design, hailing all the way from Italy. I really like what this is. Well, we'll see. Let's just crack this open. So, UPS man just got here. So, yeah, I like this company a lot. So, as you can see, let's get rid of that. This is a skin for my Control One. So there's a white skin, but I like theirs. It's not just like some skimpy, thin little vinyl cover. It's pretty thick and it adheres well and no bubbles. So we'll get right into it. So this is kind of my wireless case. So this is just from Walmart. I put a label on it. These are stackable with the other toolboxes. I really liked this little system. But yeah, I put spare batteries, charged, dead, extra Donner transmitters. I got an extra SoundSwitch dongle right there just in case. I got one of these DMX transmitters, and then I got a whole bunch of Donner dongles in here. My Shure digital mic. Where is this? I don't even know what this is. PGX D4. So it's just one mic. That's usually all I need. And then this is a 3D printed microphone holder that I made, and it just slots into the little latch for my controller case. And then this was also 3D printed. Designed this one, and yeah, it just kind of, it's like a magazine. You just put your dongles in there. So the way my system is, these are ultimately going to be spares. Because now I have both wireless lighting for everything, uplights, tubes, movers, all of it. So these are just spares just in case something malfunctions with those. The way I do this is if they're charged, I have them face down. If they've been used or if they're sort of semi-dead, then I flip them like this so I know when to charge them. And I just keep that in this little case. And then, so I got padding. I had all this extra soundproofing foam. So anyway, here's the SoundSwitch Control One. Close that up. And then I also put in a couple extra microphone XLR cables over there just in case. It's a pretty handy little piece of kit, man. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So, quick tip for y'all. All right, I guess I get everything from Italy. My speakers, my DJ skins, my pizza. No, I'm just kidding. We get our sheet. Looks like it's all on one. Looks like it's pretty good. These are all labeled. I think you can get the one that doesn't have branding on it. You could probably even customize it with your own logo too. But just so you guys can see, it says to remove the knobs and panels. I don't think that's necessary on this because they're recessed. So we're good. So take your trash, throw it back there. What I got here is a little spritzer. This is 91%. And I haven't taken off this little plastic thing, but I'm going to do this for you guys. This hasn't come off since I bought this. So, oh yeah, there you go. Isopropyl alcohol, so spritz her down real good. You don't want no greasy fingerprints, none of that. And so the way I'm gonna do this is one side at a time, because there's no point in cleaning the whole thing when I'm gonna be picking it up. And get this sticker on here. Get up close and personal here. The more clean, the better it's going to stick. Now these are pretty forgiving, but as you can see, it's thick. So just don't So what I like to do is just kind of make sure nothing is getting hung up. Knobs work. how it works. And now we just kind of press it into place. So this one's a little more trickier because you got all these little spaces between the buttons. But you see, very easy. We got dinner done. Let's go back.